Hey guys, it's Brian here to welcome you to 60SecondTraffic.com, our new free traffic network where you can start getting the easiest traffic you've ever gotten online beginning right now today. Now before you get started though, be sure to watch this short video to the end, as there are some simple but important things you need to know to get things rolling. Now, you can promote virtually any ethical, family-friendly affiliate link or offer link that you want by scheduling it right here on this page in the form below this video, this form right here. If you're a free version member, you can schedule and post up to 3 ads per day. If you're a pro member, you can post up to 15 ads a day unless you've unlocked unlimited daily ads and posts through our upgrades. Now if you're familiar with Twitter or Facebook, as most people are, you already know that you can get a lot of traffic, as many people do, simply by tweeting or posting Facebook updates to your pages, but only if you've got a big following. So the way that 60ST works is that we build that following for you to the tune of thousands upon thousands of followers, which are other free version or paid version 60ST users. So our 60ST following is your following. And a following, if you think about it, is equivalent to having a list. That's what a following is. It's a type of list of people. And any type of business list that's utilized correctly will result in leads and money. And that's precisely what we are building for you once again on Autopilot with 60ST. So it's a very, very simple and proven concept that I've personally used to get both leads and affiliate commissions. And in fact, my team and I run another traffic network based on this same model, which has tens of thousands of followers and has published and shared over 1.4 million ads. And 60ST is not only modeled after this predecessor site, but vastly improved and built from the ground up to grow followers and users more quickly than ever. A major twist with 60ST is that with each ad you post, you are first required to share the ad of another member on third-party social media, more specifically Facebook. And don't worry, we've made it super quick and easy and formulaic to share these ads. And the purpose of sharing ads to third-party social media, meaning outside of the 60ST following, is twofold. It's to bring more exposure to each individual user's ad, since ads will be seen not only here on the 60ST homepage by other followers, but also spread across hundreds of Facebook groups and pages organically. And it's also, secondly, to grow the 60ST following organically, because each 60ST user ad that you share each time you go to post your own ad is tagged with a reference back to 60secondtraffic.com, which will bring users here consistently to our platform who can either join for free or join as a paid member, and in other words, become a follower of 60ST. So that's one way our following will continue to grow organically, steadily. And another way we'll continue to grow is through our affiliate program, our popular affiliate program. And you can join the 60ST affiliate program for free to bring in new users while making a nice commission doing so. So that, in a nutshell, is how the system works, how you get traffic. Now, to schedule an ad on 60ST, it therefore entails 2 ultra simple steps. First, you're going to share an ad on Facebook by using this little form right here, step 1 of getting traffic. You'll see the ad of another 60ST user here in this field, and you want to click the copy button here, which will automatically copy the ad you see. You'll then click this share button to open up several Facebook pages or groups of your choice. So you just click on your choice, where you will go to post a copy of the ad that you've copied, just as if you were posting your own ad or your own on your own Facebook page or Facebook group. Absolutely no different, except that you're posting the ad of another 60ST user in a Facebook group or on a Facebook page. And in turn, your ads will of course be shared by other 60ST users in exactly the same way through their member back offices. So again, click the copy button, click the share button, and then you want to go and physically proceed to share the ad on your Facebook page or group of choice as chosen from this pop-up window. And once the ad is posted on Facebook, once it appears on Facebook in the page or group that you've selected, click the Yes, I confirm button to confirm that you've shared the ad. And this whole process only takes seconds, by the way, but I'm explaining it in detail, kind of slowly for you, just to make sure that, you know, it sinks in that you get it. And then you're ready for step 2. You're ready to post your own ad. Simple as that. Just make sure to share one ad, as I just described, for each ad that you post of your own, so that you're not, you know, banned from posting your own ads by our system. Now, after you've confirmed your share, as mentioned, our system credits your share and allows you, as mentioned, to post your ad using this next form here, the step 2 of the getting traffic. Simply enter the text for your ad, and then enter the full link along with the text separated by a space to your offer, beginning with http:// just like any normal website link. And then choose a category from this drop down, and then you can click the Post It button to post the ad, and it will appear on the 60ST homepage along with other ads. And I'll cover these Feature It and Super Feature It buttons, how they work, towards the end of the video, so as not to confuse you. But again, once you click the Post It button, as mentioned, your ad will automatically be published and appear on the 60ST homepage, and will be viewed regularly by our constantly growing list of 60ST followers, by the following that we're building for you, and will continue to build indefinitely, day after day. So again, that on top of your ads being shared by other users on Facebook social media across hundreds of pages is how and where your ads will be viewed every day, 24/7. Now, to actually get started, there are 2 very simple setup steps that you only do once, and then you're immediately ready to begin scheduling ads and getting traffic, as I just described. I just described the scheduling ads and getting traffic, but first there are a couple of quick setup steps, in other words, that you want to do. Now, first things first, to get set up, you'll want to join at least 3 Facebook free ad groups through this link here. And make sure you get approved to these groups, at least 3 groups, so that you're active in those 3 groups and can actually post ads to the group, so that you're allowed to post. And if you're not approved or whatever, just come back and request to join other groups until you have at least 3 groups that you're approved for and able to post in. Now, that's the only setup which is really going to take any time at all, as you may have to wait a short while to get approved to the groups. And then the second setup step, super simply, you want to scroll down here to click the account settings page, and you'll definitely want to upload your own profile pic, or thumbnail pic as it's called. This pic is very important actually, because it will call attention to each ad that you post on 60-Second Traffic, since it's going to appear, this picture will appear right next to each ad that you schedule and post. And you can and likely will want to experiment and test various thumbnails to see which bring the most attention. Just make sure your profile pic, aka thumbnail pic, is PG rated, meaning family friendly, but other than that, anything goes, and you can test different pictures as you go along. Now, to step back and cover how featured ads and super featured ads work very briefly, if you're a pro paid version member, we've credited your account with several featured ads for no extra cost, or you may have upgraded, in which case you have unlimited autopilot featured ads. So in either of those cases, after you've entered your ad text and link, click the Feature It button here, and the 60ST system will post a copy, meaning a duplicate of the original ad that you entered and posted, after that original ad drops off the 60ST homepage where all user ads appear. Remember, all of your regular ads appear automatically on the 60ST public homepage and then get bumped down one by one as other ads are posted. So what happens is that as your original ad drops down and is bumped off our homepage, a second duplicate of that ad will be listed at the top of our homepage on complete autopilot by our system, just like a robot posting a duplicate of your ad. You know, just as if you'd manually or physically scheduled another ad and posted it, but in this case, it's all completely automated. So those are the featured ads. A featured ad is a duplicate of an original ad that you've posted, which gets posted on autopilot by our system after the original ad drops off the home page. And then the super featured ads are a completely different type of ad, only available to those who've upgraded to our optional upgrade number 3, our customization option number 3, called the free $700 ads generator. And what this button does is that it creates a banner ad, also called a display ad, for you on the fly, and it's created from any regular ad content that you've posted. So the text and link that you post, our system creates a banner ad from that content and then displays this banner ad that it creates automatically on our home page here in this column on the right. And it stays fixed here for a full month, for 30 days, in rotation with other super featured banner ads run by other members, by other 60ST members. So if you go to schedule and post one of your regular ads, in this scenario as an OTO number 3 upgraded member, or as a member with customization option number 3, if you've upgraded, if you purchased that option, you could choose one regular ad per month to also run as a super featured ad. So just make sure that when you use the super featured button, you're running an ad that you really like and think will perform well, perhaps based on results from other standard ads you've posted, just so that you can really make the ad count, so to speak. So that was a lot of info to take in, but the system overall is very, very simple as online traffic getting gets. So let's just quickly review. To get set up, you want to join at least 3 Facebook free ad groups or pages via this link, and make sure you get approved to at least 3 groups so that you're able to post ads in those groups, so that you're in turn able to share the ads of other 60ST members per step 1 of 2 of getting traffic through this form here. And you also want to upload a profile / thumbnail pic on your account settings page. And then once you've done those 2 things, those 2 setup tasks, you're fully set up for life and you're ready to get traffic through the getting traffic form. So then to start actually getting traffic, each time you want to get traffic, you'll first share the ad of another 60ST member as displayed here in the share this ad field. And then once finished with that, you enter your own ad and click the posted button to publish that ad on the 60ST homepage on our network, and to get that ad shared by other members as well. In total, once you've got this simple 2-step process down, you'll be spending roughly 60 to 120 seconds or so on average to schedule ads to get traffic. So very, very quick way to get traffic. Scheduling refers to that 2-step process of first sharing an ad and then posting your own ad. So with every ad of your own that you post, you're also sharing one ad of another user. You're always completing this 2 steps shown, in other words. And that is all there is to it. I hope you enjoy the system, have fun getting traffic, enjoy the easy free traffic that we'll be delivering based on your scheduled ads from this point forward. And I wish you lots of success. And don't forget that you can also make money by joining our affiliate program through warriorplus.com, the 60-second traffic free affiliate program, while also building the 60ST network following. So you're making money and you're helping to build the 60ST following. And that is it for this video, and I hope you have a great day.